So we're going to look at division with remainders, but we're going to express these remainders as either fractions or decimals. Let's see what we mean. So first of all, we're just going to bust up 10 by 4. How many 4s in 10? Well, we know that 2 4s are 8, and that would give us a remainder of 2. Now then, let's try and do this and express our remainder as a fraction. So again, 4 goes into 10 twice. That leaves us a remainder of 2, but this time we're going to express it as a fraction, and we put the remainder over the number we're dividing by. And that's all we have to do to make our remainder into a fraction. If we want to give our remainder as a decimal, then again 4 into 10 goes 2. Now we put our decimal point in, that's the end of our whole number, and all we do is add a 0 and write our remainder onto that 0. And now we say how many 4s in 20? And of course the answer is 5. And you would know as a good mathematician that 2 quarters is exactly the same as a half, and 2.5 is 2.5. Right, let's do some more. 5 into 13, 5 goes into 13 twice, and that would give us a remainder of 3. As a fraction, we'll go in twice, and we express our fraction like this over the divider. As a decimal, goes into it twice, decimal point, add a 0 and put our remainder onto the 0, and 5 goes into 30 6 times. Last one, let's just do another one where we're going to divide 13, but this time by 4. So 4 goes into 13 3 times, 4 3s are 12, and it will give us a remainder of 1. As a fraction, we would have the 3 times, but this time we would express the remainder as a quarter. And as a decimal, 4 goes into 13 3 times, decimal point in place. We add a 0 because it's not making any difference to the value of this number by making it 13.0, and we're going to put our remainder onto the 0. So now we say how many 4s go into 10? And we know the answer is 2 because 4 2s are 8, but we've still got a remainder, so all we have to do is put another 0 in place and put the remainder onto that 0. So 4 2s were 8, we've got a remainder of 2. How many 4s in 20? And the answer is 5. Thank you.